Once again, thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for kalkinemedia. One of the most common doubts in the minds of investors is about the number of stocks they should hold in their investment portfolio. As experts say that a stock portfolio should be diversified, packed with stocks of different attributes. However, it's still not that easy to arrive at a satisfactory conclusion about the exact number of stocks you should own in your portfolio. So before we break it down, please give our channel a sub and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. Legendary investor Benjamin Graham had stated in his highly popular book, The Intelligent Investor, that you can build a perfectly diversified equity portfolio with 10 to 30 stocks. Although even he couldn't provide too specific of an answer to that question. Then there's the suggestion by famous investor and author Seth Klarman that it's safe to say that no single stock should be more than 5 to 6% of the entire portfolio. In saying this, we should not forget that stock investing is a different ballgame altogether for different investors. No one solution fits all. There are several factors like end goal, risk appetite, investment time horizon, and others that should be considered while arriving at that ideal number of stocks in the portfolio. So what should you consider while deciding on stocks for your portfolio? Well, investors diversify their stock holdings to cut down on unsystematic risk or risk related to a specific company or sector. However, this strategy doesn't hold as much value in the case of systematic risks like recessions. Unsystematic risk diminishes as investors include more equities in their portfolio. A portfolio of 10 stocks from different sectors or industries would be less risky compared to a portfolio of only 2 stocks. However, investors must also understand that owning many stocks to effectively remove their unsystematic risk exposure can also add up the transaction costs. So, while there may not be a consensus on the ideal number of stocks, there is a reasonable range. According to several of the latest research papers, that number could be in the range of 20 to 30. As for some key points to remember while deciding about stocks, firstly, risk appetite. Then, return expectations, research capability, company's fundamentals, company's management and capital structure, investment time horizon. So, what's the bottom line? Well, there are several things to keep in mind while deciding about stocks. However, as per a general rule, most investors own 15 to 20 stocks at least in their portfolios. And in case you're not comfortable carrying out stock research on your own, consider using index funds or ETFs to seek quick and easy diversification across different sectors and market cap groups. Finally, it's the investment strategy of an investor which helps them decide if they want a concentrated portfolio of high dividend yielding blue chip stocks or high growth small cap stocks. It only depends on the investors if they want to diversify their portfolio to a larger number of stocks to reduce the overall risk of investment. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to boost your financial IQ. If you like this info, please give us a like, comment, and a share, and for regular updates, head to our website at kalkinemedia.com. This has been Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.